Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I'll show you my recently created portfolio website. I used HTML and CSS to create this basic simple website, and if I show you, there you can see index.html, and 4 are HTML files and 1 is CSS file. So this is basically 3 pages. One is projects, second one is about, and third one is experience, and one is style.css, and this is our main HTML file. If I show you my website by opening it with live server, so this is basically simple portfolio. You can see there are my projects, some of my projects, and there is contact options, and at the end here is footer. Here I use the hover effect on these links. If I move the cursor on this, so you can see the hover effect. If I click on it, this will move us to our about page, and same like with these two, project page, and third is experience page. If we go back, and here is our main page. I just use the simple and basic tags of HTML and CSS. You can see that there is a navbar. Here is first sections of about, there is second sections of projects, and if we scroll down below, there is our contact. Here is my CSS file, and here is project page, here is about, here is experience. So that's all for today's video. This is my portfolio for Oasis INFOBYTE internship program. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.